Ramesh is looking for a job change, but he does not know where to start. Rahman, his cousin, had once mentioned that his company hires employees through online job portals such as Naukri.com, Monster.com, and so on. Ramesh decides to log into these websites and upload his resume there. First, let us understand more about a job portal. A job portal is a website where employers can post requirements for a position available in their company. You can search these requirements and find the one that fits best to your skill set. We will see how to log on to a job portal, create a profile, and upload your resume online. We will see how to log on to a job portal, create a profile, and upload your resume online. You can try creating your profile on Monster.com, TimesJobs.com, Naukri.com, and other such job portals. We will consider the job portal Naukri.com since it is one of the most popular job portals. Go to the Naukri.com website. To do so, type the link http://www.naukri.com in the browser and then press enter. The Naukri.com homepage is displayed. Let us now follow Ramesh as he registers on the job portal. To register on Naukri.com, click on the Register with Us tab. We can see that there are two options that you can register under. I am a fresher and I am a professional. Select the appropriate option according to the amount of work experience that you have. Enter your name and email ID in the given fields. Create a secure password for your account. Next, enter your mobile number. This is how recruiters will contact you with job offers. Select the length of your work experience in years and months. There is an option to upload your resume to your profile. Click on the button to upload your detailed resume. Here, we will upload a resume which we have created using Word 2013. The open dialog box is displayed. Browse for the resume on your computer and then click Open. Your resume is now attached to your profile. Check if the Agree to Terms and Conditions of Naukri.com checkbox is selected and then click Register Now. The registration process is now complete. Congratulations! Now, we will see how to enter further details so as to create a complete profile on Naukri.com. Enter the required information for current employment details, salary, working since, location. You can also enter more information about the duration of your notice period if you are still working with your company, and skills. When entering a skill, you can do so manually or select from a range of recommended skills. You can add the industry that you are working for and the department and role that you are currently filling. If you wish to add more details about another previous employment, you can click on Add Employment. Else, click on Continue. Next, you need to enter your education details. This will help recruiters know whether you are qualified for the position that they are looking for. Select your highest level of education from the drop-down list. Next, select the course type and the subject in the next two fields. Enter the name of your university or college and select the course mode from the full-time, part-time, or correspondence options as appropriate. Lastly, select the year in which you completed the course. If you wish, you can also add more about any other courses that you may have completed. This option is particularly helpful to list special professional and skill development courses that you may have done. In the last step, you can further fine-tune your profile by entering your professional background, your preferred work locations, your desired employment type, your IT skills, and your gender. When you are done entering the information, click on Submit. A message is displayed on screen indicating that your account is created. You can add more details to your profile using the Update Profile button. For example, to add your date of birth, scroll down to Personal Details and click on the Edit icon. Enter your correct date of birth. You can similarly add many other details like your address, the languages you speak, and specifics of any projects that you may want to showcase. When you are done editing your profile, hover your pointer over the My Naukri tab and click on Log Out to log out of your account. You can log back in again in the future to search for available jobs.